What is content spinning? Does this technique still have a future with AI tools? Visit Pacta website. Listen to this podcast on SEO and content spinning, entirely generated by AI. Alon Stevens is consultant since 1999. Since 1999, Pacta consultants have been assisting business leaders who want to develop their activity. SEO, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, social networks. Contact Alon Stevens phone +33 612 55 1980. Email contact@pact.com. Website pacta.com.
Ever go down an internet rabbit hole? Start with a simple question and end up clicking through like 10 websites only to find the same kind of weird-sounding article over and over again.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
It's like, is the internet broken? And more importantly, can I trust anything I read online?
Right.
Today, we're doing a deep dive into the world of online content creation, specifically how those articles get made, and maybe more importantly, how they end up on the front page of your search results.
Sounds good.
We'll be digging.
Since 1999, Pacta consultants have been assisting business leaders who want to develop their activity. SEO, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, social networks.
Into excerpts from, you guessed it, Wikipedia on two topics that are going to be super relevant here: article spinning and SEO.
Okay.
So let's jump right into it with, honestly, the slightly shady side of content creation, article spinning. Would you mind giving us a quick rundown of what exactly article spinning is?
Sure. So article spinning is basically when a website wants to get higher rankings in search results. But instead of writing new and original content, they'll use software to, take existing articles and change up the words and phrases to avoid plagiarism detection.
So it's like a robot trying to sound human but not doing a very good job.
Yeah, pretty much. The problem is these spun articles, a lot of times they just read really poorly, like the phrasing is off, maybe grammatical errors, and even more important, they could actually misrepresent information, which obviously is not great for anybody.
No, not at all.
And decreases the overall quality of content online, for sure.
Yeah, because it really prioritizes just getting something out there over actually providing valuable information to a reader.
Exactly. Quantity over quality.
So then where does SEO come in? How did these spun articles even end up on my screen?
Yeah, good question.
Because I feel like we've all heard about SEO, but maybe don't totally get it.
Right. So SEO is like the flip side of the article spinning coin. Think of it as the art and science of making a website more visible in search results, Google, Bing, all those.
So it's like you said, it's about getting those higher rankings, but in a more hopefully ethical way.
Hopefully, yeah.
But how does that even work? When I type a question into a search bar.
Contact Alon Stevens phone +33 612 55 1980. Email contact@pact.com. Website pacta.com.
What is actually happening?
Well, you're basically sending out this digital signal, and the search engines, they use these crazy complex algorithms to sift through, we're talking billions of web pages, to try to give you the most relevant results.
So what is it just about cramming a bunch of keywords into your article and hoping for the best?
That's what people used to think back in the day, yeah. But nowadays, it's much more than that. It's actually about creating genuinely good content that answers very specific user questions, making the website easy to navigate, and getting what are called backlinks from other trustworthy sources.
Backlinks. Those sound important.
They are. Think of them like endorsements, right? When a website that's already seen as reputable links to yours, the search engine sees that as a vote of confidence.
Oh, I get it. So the more backlinks, the better, right?
You'd think so, but not necessarily. It's more about quality over quantity. A handful of really strong backlinks from big players are going to do way more for your SEO than, hundreds of spammy links.
So is this whole SEO thing just a big game? Are there tricks? Are there shortcuts?
Some people try. We call them black hat SEO tactics. They might buy backlinks or hide keywords in invisible text on their site.
Sneaky.
But it usually backfires because search engines are smart. They're constantly updating their algorithms. And if you get caught, you might get penalized.
Makes sense.
The best approach is actually way less exciting. We call it white hat SEO.
Yeah.
Creating good content, building relationships with other websites, and basically just earning those rankings the right way.
So in a way, understanding these techniques, both the good and the bad, it's kind of crucial for anyone who spends time online.
Absolutely. Think about it. Once you understand how this content is made, how it's ranked, how it ends up on your screen, you become a savvier reader. You can better understand what you're looking at and whether the information's actually trustworthy.
So the next time one of those spun articles pops up, we'll know to be a little more skeptical.
Definitely.
Well, that's about all the time we have for today's deep dive. Thanks for joining us as we explored the fascinating and occasionally kind of shady world of online content creation. Until next time, happy and informed browsing, everyone.
Contact Alan Stevens, phone +33 6 12 55 1980. Email contact@pact.com, website pacta.com.